Welcome to Choice International Family Outreach Worship Center, where the General Overseer is Bishop, Prophet, Antoine Michael Jasmine. We're one church in 3 locations. We have our Walk the Word service every Wednesday at 7 p.m., where Pastor Nolan Akins is teaching a powerful series on Follow the Leader, and our Prophetic Moment service every Saturday at 10:30 a.m. AMJ Ministries presents the AMJ Prophetic Institute, where the Dean is Master Prophet Antoine Jasmine. To enroll, visit our website at www.amjministries.org or call 985-651-7844. It's mandatory that all pastors register. Pastors are rewarded half off of registration. See Pastor Sean Johnson to register today. AMJ Prophetic Moment Conference Call with our very own Bishop Prophet Antoine Jasmine. Join us every Thursday with people all over the country tuning into one of the greatest prophetic calls on this side of heaven. That number is 404-500-0097. 404-500-0097. December 9th is mandatory for all ministers and pastors to participate in a toy gift wrapping after Bible study. Bring tape, gift wrap, and scissors, and let's enjoy a time of fellowship and giving. Miracle Monday service, where there's a tailor-made miracle just for you. Join us Monday, December 14th, 2015 at 7 p.m. with our very own Bishop Prophet Antoine Jasmine. For you don't want to miss this time of miracles in this season. Invite a guest and come out and be blessed. Miracle Monday service December 14th, 2015 at 7 p.m. at 516 East Airline Highway, LaPlace, Louisiana. Sunday, December 20th at 5 p.m. You're in for a treat. Join us for our annual Choice International Family Christmas Party at 5 p.m. at Choice the Events Place, 516 East Airline Highway, LaPlace, Louisiana. Donations are needed. See administration for details after service. Sunday, December 20th at 5 p.m. Join us December 21st, 2015 at 7 p.m. for the graduation ceremony for Choice International Ministries pastors and ministers as they receive their doctorate degree in divinity. The ceremony will be held at the Pontchartrain Center, 4545 Williams Boulevard in Kenner, Louisiana at 7 p.m. That's 4545 Williams Boulevard, Kenner, Louisiana at the Pontchartrain Center. Friday, December 25th, join us for our Christmas Day service at 10 a.m. We will also have toy giveaways for the children in the community. On the behalf of Bishop Prophet Antoine Jasmine and the Choice International family, join us Christmas Day for our 1-hour only service. Saturday, December 26th, we will be having our Prophetic Moment service at our regular time, 10:30 a.m. at 516 East Airline Highway, LaPlace, Louisiana. AMJ Ministries presents the AMJ mobile app. Download the app now for daily scriptures, motivational videos and blogs, recent sermons, and updates. Download AMJ Ministries in your Apple and Android store. Purchase your MQ magazine, The Modern Man's Quest for Power, Wealth, Style, Distinction, and Influence. Featuring our very own Dr. Bishop Prophet Antoine Jasmine. On the front cover of this magazine is full of stories of millionaires, billionaires' quest for power, wealth, and influence. Get your copy today for only $10. See the merchandise table immediately after service. Purchase your autographed copy of Prophet Antoine Jasmine's world-renowned book, How to Dominate the Prophetic Realm, and newly released Following the Hood, and also available on Amazon, Jabaz Books, and Kindle. Get your copy today. You can now sow into AMJ Ministries via text message giving. It's a simple and innovative way to sow into our leader's personal ministry as he travels the world spreading the gospel around the nations. Text the amount to 985-205-3949. Follow the prompts, register info, and sow into the ministry at the touch of your fingertips. AMJ Ministries Gourmet Popcorn for sale for only $2. Dark chocolate, vanilla, kettle, and caramel. Get your AMJ Ministries gourmet popcorn immediately after service. We would like to wish a happy birthday and happy anniversary to everyone born and married in the month of December. And these are our announcements.